Hello everyone, I'm Tyrone from Pengqiang Intelligent Technology Group, and today I will be focusing on two of our workhorses of our product line: industrial air conditioner and chillers. They may not be smart, but they deliver real-world solutions for your production challenges. At Pengqiang, we build equipment that adapts to your needs. Our air conditioners and chillers use modular design and customizable setting to fit any factory. Last year, more than 300 clients reduced energy costs by 20%, with failure rates 15% below industrial standards. So let's take a look at our industrial air conditioner. Our industrial air conditioner is built for high heat plastic workshops. The strength is energy efficiency, durability, and precision. For energy efficiency, 30% better cooling with 25% lower electricity costs. And for durability, we have 20,000 hours tested compressors backed by 1-year warranty. And for precision, we have minus 0.5% Celsius degree stability to minimize production defects. The standard AC may struggle with uneven cooling in complex layouts. Our customizable airflow design cuts installation costs by 40% while ensuring full coverage. And to open it, it's only the running noise is very low. You could tell from the you just open it like press the button. And now I'm going to introduce you to our industrial chillers. Our industrial chiller is a perfect partner for injection molding. The corrosion resistance stainless steel evaporator survives a harsh environment. And the multi-machine support connect multi-devices to optimize resource use. The rapid recovery, 15% faster temperature stabilization than the other competitors. For SMEs, our compact model saves 30% space without performance loss. One packaging client reduces annual cost by $80,000 after upgrading. So an auto parts factory used our AC and chillers combination to cut energy used by 50%. With ROI in 1.5 years for unique requirements, we offer free on-site survey and tailored solutions. Feel free to join us at 13C45 and check out all our auxiliary equipment. Thank you for watching.